Here is the question answer of the chapter, The Project Tiger. The first question is, do you know that a paragraph normally contains a topic sentence in it? It is general in nature and can be anywhere in the paragraph. The other sentences in the paragraph support, prove, give examples and present additional information on the topic sentence. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു പാരഗ്രാഫ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? ദർ വിൽ ബി എ ടോപ്പിക് സെൻറ്റൻസ്. ഈ ടോപ്പിക് സെൻറ്റൻസിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അതിനാവശ്യമായ പ്രൂഫ്സും എക്സാമ്പിൾസും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അഡീഷണൽ ഇൻഫർമേഷനൊക്കെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളതാണ് എന്ത് ഒരു പാരഗ്രാഫ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പം ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ദ ടോപ്പിക് സെൻറ്റൻസ് ഇൻ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് പാരഗ്രാഫ്. What is the topic sentence in the first paragraph? The answer is, no one can beat Hollywood when it comes to making films with animals in them. How many examples are given to support the topic sentence? What are they? 2 examples are given to support the topic sentence. They are, an Alsatian called Rin Tin Tin acted amazingly in a Hollywood film. Second one, a coolie called Lassie acted wonderfully in a Hollywood film. The second question is, does the second paragraph introduce a new topic sentence? If not, what supporting detail about the animal actors of Hollywood do you get from this paragraph? No, the second paragraph does not introduce a new topic sentence. Animal actors are treated reverently in Hollywood, which he happened to see 20 years ago, and some Hollywood animal actors had stand-ins. What additional information do you get about stand-ins? A stand-in is a person who is physically similar to the real actor, and stand-in show the cameraman how the real star will walk and stay in a particular shot. The stand-in എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ he will be similar to the actor, the actual actor, and also he will show ഇയാളാണ് ക്യാമറാമാനെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഈ ആക്ടർ ഓരോ ഷോട്ടിലും നിൽക്കേണ്ടത് എന്നുള്ളതൊക്കെ കാണിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. What is the puzzling incident described in paragraph 3? When the cameraman shouted to everyone to take their positions, the large dog remained where it was, as if it was not required in the next shot. Which incident shows that the animal actors in Hollywood were treated with reverence? Even animal actors had a human stand-in, which he found for the large dog. Covered in a dog's skin, a dwarf did the role of the dog during the light arrangement. This incident shows that animals are treated reverently in Hollywood. Third question, what are the difficulties Alfred Hitchcock had to face while making the film Birds? Alfred Hitchcock wanted a large number of trained ravens and other birds for his film Birds. Unlike trained animals, it was difficult for him to get trained ravens in large numbers. How did Hitchcock manage to get a large number of ravens for his film? Fourth question. He placed notices in the press all over the United States asking people to contact him if anyone had trained ravens in large numbers, and he managed to get almost 100 trained ravens in few days. കുറച്ച് ദിവസത്തിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ തന്നെ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് 100-ലധികം റേവൻസിനെ കിട്ടി. പത്രത്തിൽ പരസ്യം കൊടുത്തു. What is described as pretty impressive? If as many as 50 ravens were told to perch quietly in a row on a specified spot, and if they obey, it will be pretty impressive. Sixth question, identify the main topic of the article from paragraph 8. The difficulties and problems of shooting a film with a tiger for the film Gobi Bine Bagabaine is the main topic of discussion in paragraph 8. Seventh question. What other details are given about the topic in the paragraph? Which film Ray wanted to shoot with a tiger, the story thread of the film, the scene which tiger was required, etc. are described in the paragraph. Next question, eighth question. How did Ray manage to get a tiger? Ray contacted the Bharat Circus Company and made arrangements with them to get a tiger for his film. Ninth question. What is the role of a ringmaster in a circus? A ringmaster trains and controls the animals in circus and also introduces and manages the performance of the animals. 10th question is, what were the difficulties faced in bringing the tiger before the camera? Ray wanted a natural scene in which the heroes got frightened by the sight of the tiger. So he did not want the tiger to be filmed with its trainer or as it was tied anywhere. But the trainer, Mr. Thorat, had no idea about the tiger if it is let out of the cage. Next question is, what does the expression to go down the drain mean? The expression to go down the drain means to be ruined or destroyed or wastefully discarded. Their efforts to make a natural scene with the tiger will become useless. Next question. What was Mr. Thorat's suggestion to control the tiger? Mr. Thorat suggested that he would tie a thin but strong wire around the tiger's neck to control the tiger. 13th question. What made Ray think of a collar made of tiger skin? Ray thought that the wire directly tied to the tiger's neck would flatten its neck hair, so he thought of a tiger skin collar and tying one end of the wire to the collar and avoid that problem. 14th question. Why did Mr. Thorat bring 2 tigers instead of 1? Mr. Thorat decided to play it safe. If one tiger did not behave well, they could use the other one. 15th question. Why was Mr. Thorat taken aback? When Mr. Thorat opened the cage, the tiger sprang out and started prancing around instead of walking sedately. It jumped and rolled about with tremendous enthusiasm. He was taken aback at his unexpected behavior of his tiger. What might be the reason for the tiger's unexpected behavior? Is the 16th question. The bamboo grove might have reminded him of a jungle which is its natural habitat, or as he was tired and the sight of the crowd must have irritated him. ഒന്നുകിൽ അതിന് ഈ ബാംബു ഗ്രോവ് കണ്ടപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ കാട് എന്നുള്ളൊരു ഓർമ്മയിൽ അത് ചാടിപ്പോയതായിരിക്കാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈ ആൾക്കാരുടെ കൂട്ടം കണ്ടപ്പം ഇത് ഭയങ്കര ഇറിറ്റേഷൻ കാരണം അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തതായിരിക്കാം. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. How does Ray describe the situation humorously? The unexpected behavior of the tiger frightened Mr. Thorat. He desperately tried to bring it under control, but he was helpless and taken aback as others. Ray humorously says it was as if they were watching a new and strange kind of circus free of cost. കാശൊന്നും കൊടുക്കാതെ നല്ല രസമുള്ളൊരു സർക്കസ് കാണുന്ന ഒരു ഫീലായിരുന്നു എന്നാണ് റേ ഹ്യൂമറസ് ആയിട്ട് പറയുന്നത്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് റേ മീൻ when he said this should have been the end of the story? Once the tiger had calmed down, they managed to take the few shots they needed. But when they returned back to Calcutta and looked at the scene with the tiger, they realized that the camera had failed to work properly and they had to do it all again. That should have been the end of the story. Next question. Why was Mr. Thorat asked to give it another go. The camera had not worked properly. All the shots they took were too dark and the tiger was almost completely merged with the background of trees and leaves. So Ray asked Mr. Thorat to give it another try and shoot the scenes all over again. 20th question. What was the magic performed by the tiger? When Mr. Thorat opened the cage, the tiger charged at the villagers gathered behind the camera. They were about 150 and the crowd melted away as if by magic. 21st question. What was really required of the tiger in that scene? The tiger was required to walk steadily and calmly over to the spot they had chosen and pace about quietly without paying any attention to the actors. 22nd question, the last question. What did Ray and his team realize 2 days later? 2 days later, from Calcutta, Ray and team realized that their camera worked well this time and the shots they took were excellent. So this is the question answer. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, share and comment. Thank you for watching.